Hi, today we'll start a new chapter called Squares and Square Roots. Let us see what is a square. We have already seen what a square is. Say, there is a field of 4 kilometers here and this is 4 kilometers. Now we need to find the area of this square. We will call it as a square. Why? Because the sides are of same size and they are of 90 degrees. So what is the area? We'll say side into side. That is 4 into 4. That is 16 square kilometers we will say. Now by this let us understand what a square is. Square means multiplying the same number so that we will get another number. So 4 into 4 equal to 16. This can be written as 4 square equal to 16. We pronounce it as 4 square equal to 16. So now let us understand what is the meaning of square. When we multiply the same number, then that is called square. That is, say for example, 2 into 2. What is the value? 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. Now, these numbers are called square number. So, is 16 square number? Yes. Is 25 square number? Yes. So, these are called square numbers. So, a number which is obtained by multiplying the same number. That is 2 times when we multiply the same number, the number what we get is called square number. So these are square numbers. If we proceed, 7 into 7, 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 into 9, 81, 10 into 10, 100, and say, so this is 1 into 1, the starting number 1. Now let us continue this. 11 11s are 121. Now as far as the definition is concerned, any natural number n, if it can be expressed in form of m square, then it is called a natural number. What is the meaning? Take an example of 225. Can we express 225 as some number multiplied with the same number? Like that, is it possible? Yes. What is that number? 15. So 225 is square number. Now let us see some properties of square numbers. See 4, 9. What about in between numbers? We have like 5, 6, 7, 8. Are these square numbers? Can we express this as m square? Is it possible? No. Numbers between 1 and 4, that is 2, 3. Can we? No. And 9 to 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are not square numbers. These are square numbers and others are not square numbers. Now let us see some more properties of square numbers. Say 1 into 1, 1. If we observe 11 into 11, 121. 9 into 9, 81. So if the last digit is 1, when we multiply, we will get a last digit as 1. Similarly, if the last digit is 9, then the last digit will be 1. So if we go for 19, 19 is a 361, the last digit will be 1. Even if you take 29 into 29, 39 into 39, let us see, say for example 29 into 29 we are doing. So when we are multiplying, 9 nines are 81, 1 and something will come. But what about the units place? That will be 1 only. So if we have any number ending with either 1 or 9, then in a square, the ones digit or units place will be always 1. Like that, we are having some properties. If we observe, then we can find. For example, see 2. 2 twos are 4. 12 twelves are 144. 22 22s are whatever the number is, but the number in units place will be 4 only. So 3 threes are 9. This 9 is coming for 3 and also for 7. For also 7 it is coming. So for 3 and 7 the last digit will be 9. For 4 it is 6. What about 6? For 4 and 6 it will be 6, 6 only. So when we analyze, last digits are having only some numbers, not all the numbers. See, let us write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, of course 0. Now, last digit 1, is it possible? Yes, in case of 1 it is possible. So it is there 2. In any case, are we getting the last digit as a 2? No, we are not getting. Isn't it? So 3, are we getting? No. 4, are we getting? Yes, here we are getting. 5, 5 5s are, yes. 6, 7, are we getting? No. 8, are we getting? No. 9, yes. Now, if we observe, square numbers are always ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Square numbers are ending with these numbers. Ending with these numbers. On the other hand, like numbers 2, 3, 7, 8. Any number ending with these numbers cannot be a square number. For example, 2 in a last digit. For example, 12. So directly we can say this is a not square number because we cannot get 2 in units place for any square number. So by looking at, we can easily identify whether it is a square number or not. If the last digit is any of these numbers, then it cannot be a square number. If it is in these numbers, there is a possibility that it is a square number. But we cannot say that always it is a square number if it is ending with the last digits as these numbers. For example, take example of 5. If we say 25, we can say it can be written as 5 into 5. It is a square number. But if it is 35, no. There is no number such that we can write 35 as a square of any natural number.